Abby and the Magical Paintbrush. Once upon a time, in a small village nestled between rolling hills and sparkling streams, there was a girl named Abby. Abby loved to paint. She painted every chance she got. On paper, on stones, and sometimes even on the walls of her little cottage.
Her favorite place to paint, though, was by the old oak tree at the edge of the village, where the view of the valley stretched out before her like a beautiful canvas. One day, as Abby was painting by the oak tree, an old woman approached her. She had kind eyes and a warm smile. In her hand, she held a paintbrush with a handle that shimmered like gold. "Hello dear," the old woman said. "I see you have a passion for painting. Would you like to try using this brush?" Abby looked at the paintbrush in awe. "Thank you, but I have my own brushes," she replied politely. "This is no ordinary paintbrush," the old woman said with a wink. "It's a magic paintbrush. Anything you paint with it will come to life." Abby's eyes widened in amazement. "Really?" "Really," the old woman assured her. "Use it wisely, and it will bring you great joy." Abby took the magic paintbrush and thanked the old woman, who disappeared into the forest as mysteriously as she had appeared. Excited, Abby ran back to her cottage to test out the brush. Her first painting was a simple butterfly. As soon as she finished, the butterfly fluttered off the canvas and into the air, its wings shimmering in the sunlight. Abby gasped in delight and decided to paint more. Over the next few days, Abby painted flowers that bloomed instantly, and birds that sang sweetly. The village was soon filled with these magical creations, and everyone was amazed and happy. One day, a storm rolled in, darkening the sky and bringing heavy rains. The village river began to rise, threatening to flood the homes. The villagers were scared and didn't know what to do. Abby had an idea. She ran to the oak tree and started painting a large, strong dam at the edge of the river. As she painted, the dam sprang to life, stretching across the river and stopping the floodwaters from reaching the village. The villagers cheered and praised Abby for saving their homes. The old woman appeared again, this time with a proud smile. "You have used the magic paintbrush well, Abby," she said. "You have brought beauty and safety to your village. Always remember that true magic lies in your heart and the kindness you show to others." Abby thanked the old woman once more and promised to continue using the paintbrush to help her village and bring joy to everyone. Since then, Abby painted with her magic paintbrush, creating wonders and helping her friends whenever they needed. She learned that with creativity and kindness, she could make the world a better place. And so, Abby and her magic paintbrush lived happily ever after, spreading beauty and joy throughout the village and beyond. The end.